Hi friends, welcome to my channel History of Mars. If you are new, hit the like icon and subscribe my channel. Perseverance continue over the crater quest. When we parked on the western edge of the Balva crater, it is the 0.9 km means 0.6 miles wide crater located on the top of the western delta within Jezero crater. Deltas are very interesting geological features. The relationship, structures, and characteristics of the sediment layer that compress the delta can provide all sort of the juicy detail about the nature of the water body that formed it. To help scientists uncover more details about the sedimentary and the stratigraphic history of the Jezero crater, NASCAMZ acquired some outstanding imagery of the Balva crater, interior and surrounding. The imagery included a 152 image stunning music captured on Sol 772 22 April 2023. Like the video, share the video to your best friends, stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.